Hello, Savvy Saver. I am Irene from Irene Consulting Firm. Welcome. Today we are diving into how you can automate your finances to save time, reduce stress, and avoid impulse spending. If you have ever found yourself stressed about bills or regretting an impulsive purchase, you are not alone. That's why today we are going to talk about setting up a system that handles your money for you automatically. Stay tuned. Financial automation is setting up your financial system to manage tasks like bill payment, saving, and investment automatically. It ensures everything is paid on time and saving goals are met without you having to lift a finger. Let us start by automating your bill payments. First, list all your monthly bills. Then, use your bank apps or website to set up recurring payments. This will ensure you never miss a payment and avoid late fee. Next, automate your saving. Decide on a percentage of your income to save each month and set up a direct deposit from your paycheck to a saving account. You can also use apps like Digit that analyze your spending and automatically save the perfect amount. To avoid impulse spending, use automation tools that alert you when you are about to exceed your budget. Apps like Mint or YNAB can be lifesaver, giving you a real-time update on your spending habits. By automating your finances, you are not just simplifying your life. You are also building a foundation for your future financial success. Start small and gradually automate more as you feel comfortable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tips on mastering your finances. Share this video across your social network and let us make money management easy for everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, smart money management is the key to a stress-free financial life. See you next time. Be blessed.